In 1997, scientists recorded a sound in the ocean so loud it was detected across the entire Pacific.
Mystery. The sound was called Bloop, and it was picked up by underwater microphones used to track submarines. It came from deep in the southern Pacific and was incredibly powerful. At first, researchers were confused. No known animal could produce a sound that strong. For years, people speculated about sea monsters or unknown creatures. Later studies suggested a more realistic explanation: massive ice quakes caused by huge Antarctic ice sheets cracking underwater. Even so, Bloop remains one of the loudest and strangest sounds ever recorded in the ocean. Could the ocean still be hiding something massive?